Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about Blvd piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
Hi, I'm expert plumber Graham Drew with Urban Piping. Today I'm going to show you how to drain your hot water tank. Now you can either do this when replacing your hot water tank or just for yearly maintenance. So first what you want to do is you want to make sure the gas valve is off. So you want to come down here and you want to turn this gas valve sideways. After that, you're going to take your garden hose, hook it onto the bottom drain, and spin that puppy on. Then take the other end of your garden hose and place that into a nearby or on top of the nearby floor drain. Lastly, you'll want to take your channel locks and undo the valve on the bottom. And last, you'll want to flip your relief valve open. Now leave this open in an open position. A little bit of pressure will come out at first, and that is until it pulls off the water off the top. Now that's pretty simple. That will probably take about 45 minutes to drain a typical 40 or 50 gallon hot water tank. And after which you just reverse the steps and fill it back up again. All right, thank you.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Blvd. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.